today Nikki and I have got the fatberg sample. We melted it in the autoclave so as that we kill all the biological pathogens, potential agents that are in there, so that we can then dissect out the large objects that are basically the cause of the fatberg accretion. Nikki, do you want to?
Yeah, so it was then quite a low-tech approach of going through with our hands in this bucket of melted fatberg and literally just pouring beaker by beaker into a bowl so that we could separate out the solid lumps from the solid and the liquid fat that remained. And we found a variety of objects, so things like sanitary protection, we found a couple of incontinence pads, some rag, cotton bud, wet wipes. What else did we find?
We found some bone,
Yeah.
twigs, string, and also we found quite a lot of mud and silt at the very bottom of the fatberg. So, well, not of the fatberg, but of our sample. So that obviously sank to the very bottom during the heating process.